Welcome to Wellste Aluminum Window Factory. For years, we've been delivering one-stop customer solution. From raw material to finished products, quality is in every detail. Follow me to take a tour today.
Our factory covers an area of over 20,000 square meters. Our entire production process is closely linked, efficient, and precise, starting from raw material selection, moving to precision processing and assembly, then on to strict inspection and safe packaging. There are no shortcuts at any step. We do this all just to ensure the stable quality of every single product.
We can say a good product starts with raw material selection. Our door and windows are built with 6060T66 aluminum alloy. It beats the common 6063T5 in strength and corrosion resistance. It guarantees 20 years lifespan at least. Now let me introduce our fully automatic production machine line. Starting from lumbar material loading to cutting, the cutting angles are smooth with no barriers without further operation process. The most important is 45-degree cutting inside automatically. You don't have to worry about precision at all, increasing the labor efficiency a lot. The angle degree tolerance can be controlled with a positive and negative 0.02 degree. After cutting, now you can see our robotic armors will pick up these pieces and move them to the milling area to proceed the next production. We built a 10-meter high smart cloud warehouse for meeting flexible lead time. It also boosts our whole work production efficiency. We can easily adjust and track production orders if clients urgently need. Through this, for us, keep our workflow flexible and changing accordingly. Precision is our bottom line. Advanced CNC equipment handles all key process steps, whether it's cutting, drilling, or polishing. Every single frame strictly meets the design specifications, making sure the next installation fits perfectly with no gaps. Now we move to the assembly process. The big things we focus on is tight seal. How Wellste guarantees this? What is the secret? The inside window frame has a waterproof pad. It can prevent water from seeping from outside into the fixed window. In addition, the aluminum cutting edge is coated with German grease glue that makes sure more sealing effect. Now the window airtightness and the water resistance totally meet your local bad weather. Follow my camera to this area. First, our workers correct and level the window frame to make sure its whole window is flat. Next, we use brand German glue for injection. Though the cost is twice higher than normal, this makes the window more airtightness and high hardness on corner connection. Now we come to the ceiling strip area. We store raw material EPDM in fridge for keeping activity status. Moreover, our unique one-pieces loop welding technology makes the window seals stronger than common L-shaped strips. Here are our hardware area. We can call hardware is the soul of the window. We use world brand hardware like SI, FSB, and Rotor. The handles we use are German brand Hopper. It can operate smoothly for over 100,000 times. To ensure perfect alignment, we first assemble the hardware on the sash and the frame separately, then combine them. For exported doors and windows, we already installed the glass into the window frame. You don't need to hire extra workers to do this step for saving high labor costs. We use high-quality glasses from well-known Chinese brands like South Glass, Taiwan Glasses, Xinyi, and so on. After installing the glass, we will stick certification labels on each product. For example, shipped to USA, we will stick the standards IGCC IGM label. Every window you order has to pass an inspection before leave our factory. We will stand the windows up to check for aluminum frame and glass scratch. And we also test the handles, how smoothly it opens and closes. Only fully meet our standard and move on to the next process. We do know how important transportation safety is. We use multi-layer protective packaging, bubble wrap, hard cartons, and bamboo straps. This setup prevents scratches and damage during shipping. Make sure they reach you safe. 5 layers of tough packaging. If any items break, Wellste reships them free of charge. This is our window and door showroom. You can check out all the details here. We also run all kinds of performance tests, so you don't have to worry about the quality at all. Ready to kick off your project? You can email us or call us. Wellste team is here to anytime to answer your questions and help you place an order.